everyone! It's me again, Rose. How are you all? Kumusta na po kayo? And also in Namaste, India. And West Bengalis, Kemunachi. So today, I'm going to make easy recipe for my home-style cooking called cinnamon roll. So let's start. I'll show you my ingredients. So I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, means plain flour. I have 1 cup of fresh milk here. I have 60 grams of butter, like quarter of salt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of yeast. So let's start to mix my dough. Now I made the milk lukewarm. So I have to add it here in my bowl. And next is sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of yeast. So mix together just to activate at least 5 minutes, everyone. Mix nicely. Just cover it for 5 minutes to activate the yeast. So now I think it's done for my yeast activate already. So let's start to make the dough. Nice to make hand manually, not machine. I'm not using mostly for machine, especially my dough. So I have my 2 hands. Let's start. So this is my plain flour. I have to put here. My salt in here. Just mix properly. Have to add more. Just little bit add the oil for not to stick on my bowl. Just have my olive oil here. Just not to stick the bowl. So that's it. So now I have to keep aside for at least 30 minutes here. I have to cover it now. I have to keep for at least 30 minutes, everyone. Okay, to keep more soft the dough. Make the dough. I have to add a little bit plain flour just to kneading the dough. Come on guys, come and help me to make the cinnamon roll. Just slowly and rolling up the dough here. Slowly. Just slowly. Don't do hurry to do the dough. Just lightly do. Don't so hard. Don't press hard. So now I'm going to show you my other recipe. I have here a brown sugar, like 1 cup of brown sugar. I have butter here, like 80 grams of butter. Okay. I have a cinnamon powder here, like 2 tablespoons of powder. Depends how much flavor, how much strong you want for the cinnamon powder, right? So now, first is I'm going to add the butter. Just spreading the butter here. Slowly spread the butter here. This is unsalted butter, everyone. I'm using unsalted butter. Okay. Please try this recipe also. So very easy recipe. Things. So now what the next step is, I have to add the brown sugar. Just sprinkle it, the brown sugar. Slowly, slowly, you have to sprinkle the brown sugar. So nice. I love the color of this brown sugar. Just sprinkle. Nice. Just focus my recipe, everyone. Okay, very easy recipes. Next, I have to sprinkle the cinnamon powder. Everyone, have you tried my previous mutton biryani? Hope you try it. Done. So now I have to go and rolling up. It's okay, done. Just slowly you have to rolling up. Okay. See. I have to push a little bit here. Yeah. Push more. My children loves this cinnamon rolls, already waiting for this cinnamon and have snacks. So I think it's done, ready. So now I'm going to divide. I have to cut. So now I'm going to slice the cinnamon roll. Just take it easy. Slowly you have to cut. See? The dough slice, put here, slowly put here. Okay. in the last slice. Now done. I have to keep aside for at least 20-25 minutes, everyone. Okay, as you can see, my dough already done. Keep aside for 20-25 minutes, guys. Now I'm showing you my toppings. This is a cream cheese, 150 grams. Okay, an icing powder, sugar, half cup. I have 6 to 7 cubes of chocolate here. I have to melt them. Mix with this 6 tablespoons of fresh milk. Okay, mix together this. As you can see, I'm going to bake this one for 180 degrees Fahrenheit within 25 to 30 minutes. So now guys, it's done the baking, so I have to put my toppings. So everyone, as you can see, it's already done my baking.